Hello everyone. So I wanted to just do a quick share because it is getting closer to Valentine's. I made this Red Roses journal a long time or a while ago, and I thought, hey, this would be a good share just because of the time of year and everything. I worked hard on trying to make this very cute and Valentine's-y and everything, and I just thought I should just try making it so you know it's here. It is $30, but again, it's just a quick little piece that I had made. Lots of writing space, if you can tell. Lots and lots of writing space, which is a good thing. Very vintagey. I left a lot of the pockets that by themselves and everything. I didn't add pockets to it, or not pockets, tags and journaling cards as much to this. I wanted to make it very plain, but at the same time I did a lot of pockets randomly throughout. So I just, again, hope you will enjoy this little piece. And what is this? Oh, it's one of them three. I did these for a piece that I made. So this is a belly band, and then these are each a pocket made out of toilet paper roll, actually. So again, I had made these a long time ago, and they're just, again, here is one, and just, again, I had a lot of fun making these. So lots of plain papers though. Again, I tried to make it journal friendly as much as possible for you. Not very many decorative pages as much, and those that are decorative, yeah. Again, just as much as I possibly could. Doily. And then I even have this, which is where I put all the journaling cards, pocket stuff, little pieces of ephemera, and tags, and so you could choose where it was the tags and stuff are placed, is what I did. It's been a while since I've looked at it even, but I thought perfect little piece to show you that I had made in the past that you can go off, and again, you can take the time and journal in. And that was the point of making it. It is on my Etsy, which is in the description box down below. Now we'll get to, hopefully, our project for the day, which is triple pockets that can go inside your journal. I'm going to use one of these pages again. I don't know. I don't like using up these pretty pages if I can help it. So that's where I'm being a little stingy, which happens sometimes with all of us, I'm sure. All right. I'm going to turn it this way so it can be cut at 4.5 inches. And then this, I just want that edge to be trimmed, so I matched up at 4.5 inches, and we need it a little bit more this way. All right, a little less than 4.5, but that's okay. We'll still get what we want out of it. I know this is going to be like, why is she doing it this way? You'll see. I'm cutting them into thirds. Now, I personally think they need to have a thicker paper behind it, so I did grab paper that I thought was thicker to use here. So we got that one. And this one. And again, I'm just using what I have here to make my life a little bit easier. My daughter just started on schoolwork. Hopefully she'll not need my help. I did tell her what I was doing too, though, which probably helped a little with this aspect, but there we go. Now, don't need glue stick anymore for this. Sorry if I'm not doing a whole lot of explaining at the moment. There just isn't much to explain other than I'm cutting around these pieces here. All right. Now, these 3 pieces, I kind of want them to be at the same spot. So I'm just trying to make sure they're pretty oriented the same. I hope she'll get through it. Doesn't seem like it will. That's okay. This is where I can easily stick my scissors in here and just get this little niche that didn't want to go through. Alright, so now all 3 are where we want them. Again, this is just a fun, easy little project to do. I guess I didn't really need to do that bottom part, but that's okay. This one's the one I want to do the bottom, for sure. All right. I'll be there in a second. She can wait until I'm done, and then I guess the video will be done. I'm sorry. Again, this is how much time I've had this week. Okay, but we don't scream about it, Bella. Oh, I'll help you as soon as I can, okay? I can't tell you right off the bat, honey. Give me a second. So, all I'm doing is a line on each side and gluing her down like that. So now we made a triple pocket that's nice and easy to get in and out of. And when you go to glue the entire piece down, these flaps, you don't have to worry about them being glued in. You just glue these 4 so you can add multiple pieces in there. So that's what it is. I'll do a quick show of how to put it in actually, if I can find what I'm looking for. Oh, why can't I find it? I don't remember where I put my idea journal for this. Oh, I know where it is. Give me one moment. All right. We're just going to quickly stick this in a random spot here. And then this will be in the idea journal as a page in it. Hence why this is an idea journal. So again, I'm still adding to the idea journal itself, but yeah, that works. And I've been also painting the pages with gesso and stuff like that to make it easier to write on the last few days. I'm going to do that with one side, and then the other side I'm going to be taking coffee dyed papers and adding them to each page. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye!